2013 Honda Crosstour EXL. Beautiful white pearl paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust, plenty of storage. Yeah, it's still good on gas. Huge cubby down there. It's well kept tan leather interior with Honda OEM carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver's seat, lane departure warning, heated front row seats, CD player, hands-free Bluetooth, backup camera, steering wheel controls, auto headlights with fog lights, just over 154,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come out and see us. Hey, you cars, let them know.